In this video, I want to show you how to use these three laws of indices in simplifying expressions. Right. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like our videos. Right. Let's move on to our examples. Right. We'll be simplifying these terms. We'll be simplifying these expressions using these laws. Let me put the laws here, right, so that will easily refer to these laws. Right, we have the first one, x to the power 3 raised to the power 6. We are going to use the first. We're going to take this one as our first, this one is the second law, and this one is the third law. Right, so according to the first law, when we have something in brackets raised to these brackets, we can simply multiply the powers. So in this case, we are simply multiplying. In this case, the powers are 3 and 6. So we are simply multiplying 3 and 6. So our answer is 6x to the power 3 by 6, which is 18. So our answer is x to the power 18, like this. Right, let's move on to the second example. Likewise, we are going to use the first one. We are going to use the first law there. So it will be 3 to the power 2/3 by 6, like this. And the 2/3 of 6 is 4. So 3 to the power 4 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have 4 3's which are multiplying each other. So our final answer is 81. Right, let's move on to this one. We are now using the second. We are now using the second law here. So this denominator will be the root, then the power, the numerator will be the power, like this. So it will be the fourth root of 16 to the power 3 according to the second law here. Right, so the fourth root of 16 is the number that multiplies itself 4 times. The number that multiplies itself 4 times to give us 16, and that number is 2. And we have this power 3, so it is 2 to the power 3, like this. And 2 to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Please be careful. 2 to the power 3 is not equal to 6. It is equal to 8. We have 3 2's which are multiplying each other. So 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8. Right, let's move on to the last example here. Right, in this case, we are going to apply the third law first. Then after that, we'll apply the second law. Right, to get rid of this negative in the power, we are going to put 1 over. So it will be 1 over 8 to the power 4 over 3, like this. And from there, we can now apply the second law, where we are saying 3 will be the root, and 4, the numerator, will be the power. So it will be 1 over the cube root of 8 raised to the power 4, and the cube root of 8 is the number that multiplies itself 3 times to give us 8, and that number is 2. So it's 2 to the power 4, and 2 to the power 4 is 16. So our answer is 1 over 16, because this 2 to the power 4 is in the denominator here. So we are saying our answer is 1 over 16. As simple as this. Right, here is a short exercise that you can use for practice. Right, and here are the answers. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos.